Well, it's $5 Goodwill Challenge time, the 2019 Spring Edition. And you know what that means? A great playlist with lots of inspiration for you and your home. Hi everyone, welcome. This is the Diva Den. Hey everyone, so today's video is in participation of the $5 Goodwill Challenge 2019 Spring Edition hosted by Hillary from Old World Home. And if you're not familiar with this challenge, she does this invite every season where she challenges us to go out and thrift something for $5, something that we will use in our home. It's not just a case of spending $5 for something. It's something to use in your home for that season. And so this is the 2019 Spring Edition. So I want to thank Hillary for hosting this challenge again. And if you have never visited her challenge, it will be linked below in the description box or up in the cards. But she has a fabulous channel. She does some amazing decor, thrifted finds. She does cleaning and cooking, and she's got 3 adorable children. She just had her little baby boy just before Christmas, I believe it was. So please go check out her channel, as well as the playlist that I will link below, because we all love to participate in this, and there's going to be a great playlist of people that have participated, and it's so fun to see what other people have found at their local thrift stores and what they love in their homes. I always get great inspiration from watching all those videos. So be sure to check out the playlist. And without any more commentary, let's get into what I found at my local thrift store. So here's the first item I found at my local thrift store, and it's this picture frame. It was $2.99. So what I loved about this frame was, first of all, the size, and I actually did like the color, but I also loved the little feet on it in the chrome, in the silver. And I have a spot that I wanted to put a frame, and I thought this would be really, really cute there. Now the only thing is, it is a little worn, it is a little beat up around the edges. I think I can clean that up, but I'm not sure if I want to paint it black for this area. For now, I am going to leave it like this, and I do have something I'm going to put in there that I will show you in a second. And yeah, but let me know in the comments below when you see what I've done with it, if you think I should paint it black. I'm not really sure. And because of the material, I don't know, it's kind of plastic. I'm not sure how well it will paint up. But that was the first item I found. Now my next item is another one that I will definitely be DIYing, and it was this cute little bunny, and I thought for Easter with a little basket at the back. But if you look at his face, he's kind of freaky looking. I don't like the eyes. And the color is just a little too garish for me, so I will definitely be painting him up more to my decor. Look at that face, it's kind of freaky. It too was $2.99. To me, this was a little pricey for this item, but I just liked the shape of it, and I thought I could really use it for my Easter decor and really do a cute little DIY with it. So that's what I'm going to do first. So what I decided to do was give this a quick coat of paint with my Martha Stewart chalk paint, and I'm going to use the color Linen. It's just my favorite color. I always use it. But once I got going on this, it was going to take me forever to paint this thing, all the nooks and crannies and everything. So I only got so far, and then I decided to take it downstairs and give it a spray paint job instead. And that went much, much easier. So here's the bunny, all finished painting. It kind of helped. I got rid of the crazy eyes anyways. He looks much better now. But it did take 2 coats of spray paint to cover all the different colors. So now all I'm going to do is, I got this Spanish moss from the Dollar Tree, and my Dollar Tree had tons of these eggs that you're seeing all over YouTube right now. So I ended up getting 2 packages because I know I'm going to use them in other areas. But I think I'll just use one in here. So I'm just going to fill this, and I'm not going to glue it in. I'm just going to fill it for now. So as I mentioned, I just am going to place some of the Spanish moss in the little basket on the bunny, and then I'm going to take one of these Dollar Tree eggs and just place it in. I'm not even going to hot glue it in. That way, if I want to change it up, I can. And I love the way it turned out. And here he is in my front hall, on my front hall table, and I think he looks so cute. And I did make that sign there, and I will leave a card to that video as well. And this is the rest of the Easter decor that's starting to come out in my house. These little bunnies, they're so cute. I got them at the dollar store last year. And then this blue bowl I got from HomeSense, and there's the rest of those Dollar Tree eggs. So I think this just looks really sweet and really pretty, and the pop of blue in the egg really fits the decor here. Now for this next project, I wanted to put something in the frame, and I knew exactly where I wanted this frame to go. So I just Googled these images and found one that I liked. And then what I ended up doing, and I forgot to show this, was what I did was I took a screenshot of this and I transferred it to a Word document, and then I just printed it out. And that's all I did there. And then what I did is I took it up and I took the inside of the frame out, put it around my image, and just made sure to cut it so that I knew it would fit inside the frame. And that's all I did. Then I put it all back together and took it back into my downstairs guest bathroom. And this is where I had thought I would wanted to put it. I got inspired by something I saw on Pinterest, and I thought it was so cute, just this little his and her washroom sign. So that's where my inspiration for this came from, is just from something I saw on Pinterest. And I love the way this looks. But once again, I'm not sure if I want to paint the frame black. I do like it the cream color because it does go with everything else in here. But let me know in the comments below what you think. Would it be better black, or is it better to keep it the cream color? But I think it's really whimsical and really cute, and I get a chuckle every time I go in there just seeing that little sign. So there you go, guys. There are my 2 thrifted items for this $5 Goodwill challenge, and I want to thank Hillary once again for hosting this. It was a fun challenge. It always is, and I love seeing what everybody else finds at their stores. So be sure to check out that playlist. And if you're new here, coming from somebody else's channel, thank you for stopping by, and I hope that you enjoyed yourself. And you might think about subscribing and maybe giving the video a thumbs up if you liked it. I'd really appreciate that. And until next time, guys, I want to wish you a fabulous week. Bye!